Hey, what I just say? Hey, hey, hey. Hey, everybody. Welcome, welcome. Welcome to 86 Workshop, you guys, where y'all going to be crafting with Snow White. So, upon this video, you guys, I want to be able to go over how to make a Halloween chip bag. It's going to be a real simple one. I'm going to do this like literally in under 5 minutes because I want you guys to understand that that is exactly how it works. You can do it in as little as 5 minutes, okay? So let me go ahead and go to there. So, okay, so we're going to jump right up into this, you guys. Right here, I have my Canva screen open. On this Canva screen, I just have my blank paper. Okay, I'm going to start from scratch. I'm not going to use a template. I'm not going to put my guidelines. I just want to jump right in, and this is why I want you guys to feel comfortable as well. So first things first, I'm going to my elements. Okay, I want to look for like a street background because I'm doing something spooky. So I'm going to do something the zombie theme. So I'm going to do a street background. I want to see how that turns out. I may have to play with it a little while, a little bit, just to get the exact one that I want. And look at something like one of those. I want it to be different. Okay, so these kind of different too. You can choose any one. Let me see. Let me switch it up and do zombies first. And because I think it's like a different background I wanted to use within that. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and go to zombies, and it's gonna give me different things for zombies. You guys can go through them, see which one you see fit to put for your background. I'm going to add a page because I want to try this one as well, you guys. So I'm going to set both of these as my images to be my background. Once I've done that, now I'm just really quickly just going to grab some zombies that I think is scary enough to go on the front of my chip bag. I'm literally just grabbing a few. Okay. So now that I got them, I'm going to be removing the backgrounds on them. Once you remove your backgrounds, now you are free to place them as you see fit. This little guy, I'm going to put him over here on the side of my chip bag. I'm going to also keep in mind the bottom of my chip bag, so I'm not going to put them all the way down here because I do want to be able to put my tabs on my bag, and I'm going to go ahead and do that now as well. Just grab two shapes, stretch it across, and I want this to be black. Now I'm going to do that, make a copy of it, and put it at the top. Okay, once I've done that, now finish adjusting my zombies around my page. I'll put him kind of in the front. I may not use him, or I'm going to adjust him because I don't want that desk in there. All right. I'm going to put a couple of more, but I just want to add in some text now. Simple. I'm going to put in Happy Halloween. And I'm going to choose one of these different graphics that they're giving me already for Happy Halloween. That way it already has the Halloween fonts. I ain't got to try to pair it, nothing. Everything is already set out for me. Okay. So now I have that kind of in the middle. Now I go back to zombies. Now I can kind of, rearrange my zombies and put them the way I need them to be on here. I want photos of a zombie. Always play with it. You don't have to go with the first thing you see. Let's see. I'm kind of gonna like pile them up on here in a decent way. Okay, and I'm gonna kind of make that one in the back a little transparent. Okay, I want to put one more just to kind of balance this out over here. I'm gonna put him all the way in the back. And I'm gonna make that a little bit transparent as well. Okay, so now I pretty much already have my front the way I want it to be. I don't want it to be extra. I just wanted to say something happy Halloween, something scary, something extra I do normally put on my chip bags. You don't have to. When you think about a chip bag, it has the weight on there. So I will put that weight, and then I put the 1 point. Oh, shrink it down. I'm gonna zoom in just so I can make sure it's on there correctly. Okay, and I'm gonna zoom out. Okay, so if you have nutrition facts, I'm going to use these right here. I just got them from the bottom. I may go back and change them out. But in the meantime, I'm just going to put this nutrition fact here just to show you. I normally would have my Halloween nutrition fact, but I'm actually on a different Canva right now. So I'm just going to utilize what I have here. I'm going to put my nutrition fact. And I also want to put some text on that back. So but thanks for creeping in. I'm going to bring that down. I'm going to go change out these fonts. I'm going to type in Halloween so that it can give me some Halloween fonts. I'm going to change this and put zombie. Change this text to be red. You're free to, of course, put in the different colors that you want it to be. We got zombie, so I'm just gonna put thanks for creeping in zombie style. It doesn't necessarily have to say that you choose what you want to put up on there. It can say something as simple as Happy Halloween. Maybe this can be for a birthday. You can put thanks for stopping by for a zombie birthday. I don't know, just play around with it. Last but not least, I'm going to go here and I'm going to get a barcode. So you can utilize this spot to use for your QR code if you have a QR code. That way people are able to get to your website, your social media, or whichever landing page that you do have. I want to shrink that down. Right. So I want to, it look kind of bland, so I want to put some blood and stuff up on there. Just type in blood, get some blood splatters. Once you do have them, I wouldn't leave it that big. I will actually shrink them down, send them to the back, and just place them in different places. might get like some of these handprints and put them on around as well. Okay. Put this directly back here. I say play with it, you guys. I wanted to see how blood will look across this border up here. Just really quickly. So I don't care for that up there, but I do want to do something different. Okay. So this is just me trying to get a little extra creative with it. Just make it so that it's different. Okay, so I'm going to do the same thing to my bottom. Alrighty. Last but not least, last but better. Okay, so now once I am satisfied with that, I'm going to go to my top and I'm going to share this, or tap share, download it. Once I've downloaded, I'm only going to choose page 2 because that is the only page that I do want. And I'm going to download it to my computer. Once I have downloaded it, I'm going to make sure it's completely downloading. I'm just waiting on this, you guys. Once it has finished downloading, I'll take it and I will drop it to my desktop. Once I've dropped it, I'm going to right click, print. Make sure your paper type is on photo paper glossy or anything that is it depends on which printer you have, but anything that has glossy paper is the item or the setting that you want to be using when you are using Cola glossy paper. I'm going to print this using Cola glossy paper, and that will be it. That will be ending this tutorial, you guys. So I hope you guys found it very useful. I would love to see what you all come up with and what you create after watching this video. Once you have created your image and you want to show it, go into the group and then post your work. All right. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time, you guys.